iKrisimesi yalo nyaka soze ifane nezeminyaka edlulileyo. Abemi beli baza kuyitya le Krisimesi phantsi kwemigqaliselo engqingqwa. Ukuqelelana, ukufaka isibulali zintsholongwane ezandleni nokunxitywa kwemask sele isisithethe esitsha. Ukugalela ityuwa enxebeni, abemi beli kuza kufuneka bahlabe bekhangele, nanjengoko umsinga wesibini wolosuleleko yile ntsholongwane nawo uthande ukufika ngamandla. Urhulumente ke ukhuphe nezisemgqubeni ukuqinisekisa ukuba icandelo lezempilo liqulela ligangatha ukuqubisana namanani akhulayo.
More importantly, the readiness of our health system to deal with the increasing burden of new infections remains a key priority. We are confident that all the necessary preparations and interventions are in place to contain the spread of infections and set our country on a recovery path. It is now in our hands as society to play our part in reversing the spread of the disease and the loss of lives.
Usekela mongameli ukwabongeze ukuba abemi beli bahlabe bekhangele bazikhusele kulo bhubhane.
While significantly progress has been made in containing the spread of infection during the first phase of the pandemic, the current resurgence and rise in infection continues to demand our collective commitment and adherence to all the COVID-19 protocols and regulations. We cannot afford as a nation to be complacent and let our guard down during this difficult period in our lives. As we celebrate Christmas with our families and friends, we must at all times adhere to COVID-19 regulations and protocols to ensure that each one of us takes responsibility to prevent further spread of this disease.
Wothulele umnqwazi abasebenzi bezempilo ngokuzijula ijacu kwilinge lokusindisa impilo zoluntu kweli gonqonqo.
Our frontline workers in key sectors of our lives embody our patriotic spirit of commitment, resilience, and personal sacrifice. They have put their lives in harm's way in order to save lives and protect all of us. Some of them have paid the ultimate sacrifice in service of our nation. As we celebrate Christmas, we salute all frontline workers for their bravery, compassion, and national duty.
Umnumzana Mabuza ukwabongoze abemi beli ukuba balwe nomkhwa wokuxhatshazwa kwabasetyhini, abantwana nabantu abadala ngakumbi ngeli xesha leKrisimesi.